All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about create. So if I click on create, it's going to show the Canvas app from blank, model driven app from blank, and then the portal from blank, which we just did in the previous video. We can start from data. So we can start from SharePoint, Excel Online, SQL Server, Common Data, and then we can click here for other data sources. Okay, so connect to any available connections, and PowerApps will build your app automatically using the data you choose. Okay, so we can select a new connection. So Amazon Redshift, Apache Impala, Azure File Storage, Box, Business Central, Common Data Services, Dropbox, Dynamics 365, Google Drive, FTP, Google Sheets, OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Zendesk, and SharePoint, SQL Server, and a whole bunch of other ones. So those are all your options for connections. So I'll leave that. And then down here, you can check out some of the templates that they have. So they have PowerApps training for Office, meeting capture, onboarding tasks, help, budget tracker, site inspection, service desk, leave request, which are all Canvas apps. And then you have a model-driven app fundraiser, innovation challenge, which is model-driven, and then asset checkout, which is model-driven. Case management is Canvas app. My expenses, Canvas app. Customer success, inventory management, and interview tool. Customer lookup with customer insights, out of office, PDF reader, and cost estimator are all Canvas apps. And then to-do list, shout outs, quick task, quick book a room, contacts, asset checkout, product showcase, and estimator pro, all Canvas apps. And then the last 6 here are Canvas apps. So we have property management, opportunity tracking, book a room, employee engagement survey, company pulse, and then org browser. Okay? So those are your templates that you can use. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.